Project Bluebook, Eyes on the Unknown. Wright-Patterson Air Force Base 1952. Dr. Allen Hynek lit his pipe, staring across the room at the piles of reports, thousands of them. Glowing orbs, cigar-shaped crafts, silent discs hovering over military bases. The files were stamped with a blue cover, giving the program its unofficial name, Project Bluebook. Publicly, it was a scientific investigation into UFOs. Privately, it was a chessboard. Military, political, and cosmic forces all pressing their weight into the question, are we alone? The beginning Air Force had already conducted two earlier studies, Project Sign in 1947 and Project Grudge in 1949, but both had been buried, dismissed, or labeled inconclusive. Too many sightings, too many unanswered questions. By 1952, sightings skyrocketed. Pilots, generals, even civilians reported phenomena no one could explain. The CIA feared mass panic, or worse, Soviet exploitation of UFO hysteria. Thus, Project Bluebook was born. The investigation's Bluebook's job: collect, analyze, and explain every report of unidentified aerial phenomena. At first, Hynek, an astronomer, was skeptical. He called most sightings misidentified stars, meteors, weather balloons. But the cases piled up, and some were different. 1952 Washington, D.C. Radar incident. Multiple unknown objects entered restricted airspace over the White House. Jet interceptors scrambled only for the objects to vanish and reappear elsewhere. Civilian and military radar confirmed the intrusions. Bluebook couldn't explain it. 1953 The Robertson Panel. In response to escalating reports, the CIA formed a panel that concluded UFOs posed no threat, but recommended public debunking campaigns. From then on, Bluebook was pressured to downplay and dismiss reports. 1955 Lubbock Lights. Levelland, Kecksburg, Bentwaters, each case stranger than the last. Some witnesses described beings, others described time distortion, electromagnetic effects, or craft that defied physics. But every report was filtered, and most were categorized under natural phenomena or psychological misperception. Hynek began to suspect the truth wasn't being sought, it was being controlled. The transformation over time. Hynek's perspective shifted. He coined the term close encounter and developed a classification system C1 through C3 based on proximity and interaction. By 1966, the Michigan swamp gas incident pushed the public to its limits. Hynek was forced to explain away multiple sightings with implausible science. He hated it. I had become the Pentagon's cover man, he would later write. That same year, Congress demanded answers. Project Bluebook Special Report Number 14 had shown that 22% of cases remained unexplained, but that was buried. The end and the Achoin 1969, Bluebook was officially shut down. The government declared UFOs posed no threat, and no further study was necessary. Hynek left the program disillusioned but enlightened. He founded QFIS, continuing research on his own. Later, he would advise on close encounters of the third kind, helping to bring UFOs into the cultural mainstream. But rumors remained that Bluebook was just a front, that a secret group within the military continued the real investigations under names like MJ-12, OSAP, and ODUP, that Wright-Patterson's Hangar 18 still held the debris from Roswell. That Project Bluebook didn't end. It just went deeper underground. Today, classified Bluebook files, over 12,000 cases, are public record. Most are mundane, but some contain anomalies, discrepancies, and redactions. And in the silence of the unexplained, the truth may still hum quietly. Because not every object was Venus, not every witness was mistaken, and not every mystery was solved.